Lightning.
Oh. Did you get that?
I caught that. I caught it. I caught it on camera.
How about Kayla? Did you see it, Kayla?
No, Kana didn't get to see it, but she gets to see it on my phone.
That was tight. It went up like that. Whoa, but not that hard.
Okay. Once you see lightning, count.
Okay, let's look. Kayla, look.
Oh, actually, I just threw an all over there
way over there
behind
in
the
the
tree. But too bad.
Don't look at her phone. Look over there somewhere. Ready? Here it comes.
Make sure you just recorded it there. That's where it only goes.
Keep looking that way, Kayla. I don't see it this time.
I know. Me and Jennifer seen the big one. Gotta get some time. I'll be laughing when that bird gets hit.
You probably will.
I'll be laughing.
That's why I'm backing up so I can get the whole lightning. On camera.
Hey, where'd the bird go?
Up in the air. Up in the storm.
It actually killed.
Jesse likes songs from Fergie.
Huh?
Hey, I got over my fear of thunder and lightning.
This is true. Also, are you over your spider fear?
No.
Oh my god.
But I am gonna post this on YouTube.
For what? For what?
Nothing.
This is my way of blocking you from getting my stuff. Don't touch those spray.
I don't think there's gonna come more. I think we got it all.
I'm gonna turn.
Ooh. Did you get that one?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. Good. Are you done?
Hi, subscribers. Well, it looks like a storm in Bakersfield, as you guys can see. Ow!
What does the top of the blue go? I might throw half of it. I'm tired of that stuff.
Alright then.
Thank you, Rocky.
I don't know, Roger, but okay. I'm Roger.
Shut up.
Shut up. Oh!
Oh, I caught that with a big one on camera.
It was super big. It was right next to the house.
That's it.
Oh,
Caught a good one?
That was
yes.
Look, Hannah. Look over there. By the clouds. Wait. Keep looking down. It's going to come. I know it is. You're going to see a light over there, Hannah. Keep looking. Wait, Hannah. Wait. Just keep looking. Are you looking, Hannah? It's coming.
Gonna back up so I can get the whole film. I think on film.
Yeah, look over there. It's so long for Hannah to wait. I don't see it. There it is. Did you see it over there? Look at it. Over there, lightning, Hannah.
She comes any second now.
I don't think we opened up the space here.
There was one in the backyard, but too late.
We opened up a pretty big space.
Dang, you cleaned everything. Good.
Huh?
You recording?
I'm not done. What? I'm waiting till I catch the whole thing on film.
Hey, Carlos.
Nobody's ever seen a thunderstorm this huge in Bakersfield.
You're gonna eat 2 of them?
I was gonna say I
Are you
have.
hungry or something? Fine.
Thunder comes in different colors.
Kenna wants 2 chicken sandwiches.
Carlos, can you bring some for us?
It's called lightning.
Bring me 2 of them.
You're actually going with it. Come here, Jesse.
Water.
Take all those glasses and put them on. Have them in the Why'd you move? Look at, they have a dog like Maxie next door.